In this video, we're going to look at how to use AI to create these amazing effects in just a few minutes and completely for free. Every creator should know about this site. You've probably already seen these effects on social media, and trust me, they're worth using in your project. I'll show you how to get the best results without a paid subscription and where you can use these tools. Let's get started. The website we're using is called Pika AI. It recently got some new features that are changing the game that it comes to visual effects. You can generate anything you want and integrate it into your projects. If you'd like me to break down some creative techniques with these tools, let me know in the comments. But today I'll show you the quick method using ready-made templates. To generate the effect, we need to export a frame from our video. I think these effects work great as transitions, so we'll be exporting the last frame. I'll be using After Effects, but you can do this in any editing software. Just select the last frame and export it as a PNG sequence. Once we have our image, we simply upload it and click Pika Effect. Here you can explore and experiment with these different templates. Some might work even better for your specific case. My personal favorites are peel it, explode it, crumble it and melt it. Just pick a template and click generate button. You get 10 free generations in months per account, but of course you know how to get more free generations. After downloading the generated effect, you'll notice the watermarks. To remove them, just go to any AI watermark removal site. I use Watermark. Simply highlight the watermarks areas and click remove. How well the marks are erased depends on the complexity of the frame, but we'll be able to mask any imperfections later. Now let's bring the generated videos into our editing software. Scale it properly and start adjusting the speed. You can just speed up the clip, but if you want to add a bit more sauce, right click and enable timer mapping. The ideal duration for these effects, in my opinion, is around 20-30 frames, but of course you can experiment with these parameters. Timer mapping lets you play around the speed curve and giving you full control. Here's the curve I'll go with. Now check out the difference between simply speeding up the clip and using timer mapping. For stylization, add pixel motion blur. Shutter angle set to 360, shutter sample set to 50. This effect makes natural blur and makes the effect more juicy, and now we can add any transition you have. The effect is ready. You can repeat the same steps with other effects from the site and achieve the super cool results in just a few minutes. This is an awesome tool that you should definitely keep in mind. If you found this useful, drop a like on this video, it really helps the channel grow. Happy creating!